Welcome to Casa BS, a remarkable fusion of historical and contemporary architectural styles. Located in a bustling urban environment, this early 20th century Liberty-style home has been thoughtfully transformed into a harmonious blend of old and new. Its design respects the past while offering modern solutions for privacy, comfort, and sustainability. Facing a busy street, the exterior façade preserves the historical Liberty style with narrow ribbon windows, maintaining a sense of privacy. Overlooking a central courtyard, the interior façade features large glass walls, emphasizing transparency and connection to nature. These dual expressions balance historical preservation with contemporary functionality, offering a protective shell outward while embracing openness inward. Steel and glass elements support open-plan layouts and create dynamic indoor-outdoor transitions. A structural glass canopy with a reticulated frame crowns the courtyard, allowing natural light to filter through while regulating airflow. The first floor of the residence split into two main zones. A day zone with an open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area encourages family interaction. A night zone includes a master bedroom, study, and bathrooms, connected via a glazed corridor that links indoor spaces to the garden and veranda. A second floor dedicated to relaxation, with a spa and leisure area providing a private retreat. Large windows and a glazed corridor ensure abundant daylight, while the courtyard's glass roof enhances interior brightness. The interiors embrace minimalism with modern furniture and a neutral color palette, letting natural textures and architectural features take center stage. The use of blue adds a distinctive and vibrant touch to select areas, creating a striking contrast with the neutral tones of the natural stone, glass, and wood. This color choice highlights specific architectural elements, such as doors, frames, or accent walls, injecting a sense of modernity and freshness into the design. The central courtyard adopts the concept of a hortus conclusus, a private, enclosed garden. A tiered green wall fosters a self-regulating microclimate, improving thermal comfort year-round. This serene garden serves as the heart of the house, connecting all spaces to nature. Casa BS is a masterpiece of adaptive reuse, showcasing how historical preservation and modern innovation can coexist. By prioritizing privacy, sustainability, and comfort, the design creates a sanctuary amidst the urban bustle. It's a true celebration of architecture's ability to bridge time and context seamlessly.